Hello guys, today we are going to discuss some important thing about QA jobs and specific to IT industry jobs. So these days people are getting jobs, or whoever are doing jobs are more and more frustrated in the field, and the main reason multiple reasons, but the main reasons are the internal politics also of the company, and internal politics of the managers and the upper level people. So how you have to overcome all these and be a good or stress free life you have to live. So there are a couple of points I will inform you, and this will be helpful for many of you guys. So in IT industry, what's happening is that whatever you are doing, first thing is that that is not visible properly to the managers or the upper managements. So first thing is that try to make your work visible to everybody. So, and for that you have to show your work or speak out your work or present your work whenever it is possible. So it's something like whenever you get chance, don't let the chance go, and try to just grab the opportunity and show your work whenever you want. Either it's daily stand up meeting or presentation meeting or demo meeting, wherever you can. If you will not speak in this industry, you will be fired soon. If you think that you will be a sober in this industry and you will be very sober and kind of disciplined, and you will not speak and somebody will give you chance to speak, so sorry guys, IT industry is not for you. So you have to speak up, and if even if it's not necessary, you just have to speak up. And even if it's not necessary, you have to speak up. And if people are not listening to you, or you feel that they are not listening, still you have to speak up. So our IT industry main is speak up, and for speak up your communication skills should be good. Second thing is try to use the chats and communication, chatting communication, chat, Skypes, Teams. There are multiple things are there in so try to show your work in them. Try to send daily your task, that I'm doing this task. Try to list down all the tasks, or bifurcate your tasks in small chunks. Don't do like that, you just writing one task that I will be doing this task today. Try to write, bifurcate the task in small chunks, because it will make your work visible, and it will give you priority that these many tasks, small tasks you are doing. What people does actually is that they just show single line that they have done this work, right? But 8 hours, it's not possible to justify a single line in 8 hours. So try to differentiate or bifurcate your work in such a way that it will be visible, that if you are writing test cases, then you have to inform that what you are doing for writing test cases. You are making analysis of the stories, you are finding queries, then you are writing the test cases and steps for the all the things. So these are the three lines you can write instead of one line that I'm just writing test cases, right? Same way you can do for multiple tasks. So try to show or do the bifurcation of your task in small sections, so it will be point wise as well. It will be visible to everybody that you are doing these multiple jobs. Otherwise people at the time of appraisal and at the time of any kind of appreciation, they will ignore you, and you will be frustrated that I had done lot of work, but still I cannot, or nobody is recognizing me. So try to show your work. In IT industry, like, we are all working on the system, so nobody can see what is happening inside our system, right? Even we are doing hard work, even we are doing not doing hard work, nobody can judge you easily, even and until you just show up yourself that yes, these things you have done. And try to make your value in the team, right? Try to speak out whenever you feel that you have to speak. You have to speak, whether it's silly or nothing. Nothing is kind of silly. I just give example of one of my friend who asked very silly questions. Even he asked that how to download this these buttons, even the download button is in front of him, but he asks that much of silly questions. But at last what managers has given is that they have given very good feedback of him, that he thinks out of the box. So the person who speaks, whatever is the way, you have to speak. If you speak, then you are good. If you don't speak, even you know everything about the system, if you don't speak, nobody will provide you appraisal. So try to make your work visible. I just repeat the word. So try to use speak in the meetings, try to speak in daily stand-ups or any meetings, try to speak up, try to argue, try to, don't think that somebody will hurt, try to argue with that, right? Try to argue your point always in positive way, and use chats, emails, communications to show up your work. Otherwise nobody, if you think, or if somebody has said that okay I will do the work, instead you have to do the mails and all to show up your work. And in try, don't let the opportunity, if there is some work came from the persons or management who in which management are directly involved, then try to use 3 2 mails in small span of time, so that management will see that you are very active person, right? Otherwise your manager, your lead will never show your ability to your management and all. But if you think that, you feel that management is involved in this, then you have to grab the opportunity, and you have to perform each and everything to showcase your, otherwise you will be fired very easily. You will fired if you will feel sober, or if you, like you have seen, if you are Indian and you see a big boss or big brother, big boss, right? Then in big boss, if you are being sober, and if you are not creating TRP of the channel, either in negative or positive, no matter, but you will be fired or you will be eliminated soon. If you are creating TRP either by positive or negative, you will stay in the game. So always try to be active person, either positive or negative, but try to be the active person in your job. That's all guys, hope it will help many persons.